Good morning. Today I would like to discuss about the indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are basically are those which indicate the progress of an activity. What could be pointed through an index finger in a project or program by a stakeholder is an indicator. Then who are the stakeholders? Because indicators depend on the stakeholders and also the resources which need to be developed. Stakeholders are all those who can question an activity in a project or program. It means all those who are relevant or related to those project activities are the stakeholders. Who are defined by the project are also the stakeholders. But there are always stakeholders of different categories, say primary stakeholders, secondary stakeholders, tertiary stakeholders, and so on. Primary stakeholders are those who would be the main focus in a project, and the project is designed for them, and they are the first people to respond or to get impacted and or to get the benefits of an activity. Stakeholders other are like the project coordinating team. They are also the stakeholders, but they are the secondary stakeholders. Definitely, because of this project, even they also get benefited in the form of job and their salaries or consultancies, etc. So, tertiary stakeholders are beyond that. They could be the one, say, person in the project design or program design or a funding organization or a person in the media who want to know has happened in that area. So they all form the tertiary stakeholders. The primary stakeholders in a project are again classified in different groups, say children, youth, women, farmers, etc. So this classification and focus is based on the project objectives, and it differs from project to project, especially the focus. And sometimes we have categories like poorest of the poor, destitute women, physically challenged. These are also other focus groups who form part of the primary stakeholders. And sometimes the projects and programs are divided by class or caste or religion. So these are also other classifications of the stakeholders. But all the stakeholders in a project area would get impacted and benefited in a project directly or indirectly in a project activity. Thank you.